Introducing Buddy's Mufflers and A&K Glass Automotive. Trusted by Buddy's Mufflers in Liberty Hill, Texas, A&K Glass Automotive is here, local to the Central Texas area, to provide y'all with the expertise and care your vehicle deserves. With years of experience and a commitment to excellence,
The way to do it.
where precision meets expertise and your safety is our priority. At A&K Glass Automotive, we're more than just a mobile repair team. We're your dedicated partners in ensuring that your vehicle stays safe and road ready. From windshield replacements to chip repairs, we deliver top-notch service with a focus on quality and reliability. Our team of highly skilled technicians is here to address all your auto glass needs. Because when it comes to your safety on the road, there's no room for compromise. Call us today at 737-777-0250 to receive a free quote.